Child abduction alert has been issued in Milwaukee for the following child: Jamal D. White, age 7, male, black, 4 feet 0 inches, 80 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a white t-shirt and black shorts. Jamal was last seen in the area of 6200 West Hustis Street in Milwaukee. Law enforcement authorities believe the child may be in the company of an unknown black male who was last seen wearing a black hooded sweatshirt, a black face mask, and is armed with a handgun. The description of the driver of the vehicle is unknown. They may be traveling in a white Jeep Renegade SUV with an unknown license plate. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Jamal D. White, please contact the Milwaukee Police Department at 414-935-7242.